Stop, take a moment, take a breather. Look around, but don't panic most of all. When it's time for us to find direction and to become spiritually aligned and awaken in life, that's what we need to do. We got to stop what we're doing, look around, and have a moment of silence. A breather is what some people call it. And it's very important that you do this. A lot of times we're so busy in life. We're mothers, fathers, grandparents. We run businesses. And most importantly, we just are spiritually disconnected. We don't know who we are. Some days we're highly emotional. Some days we're happy. At the end of the day, everybody's just fronting. A lot of people have a lot of veils over them, over who we're supposed to be. And it's just time out for foolishness. It's time out to walk around here like, I'm okay. When you know deep down inside, you're not okay. So, if that is you, you've been feeling stuck, you've been feeling out of line, disconnected, discombobulated, and you just feel like you're just here and you don't know why. And it's time for to get back in the right direction, back in alignment. It's time for restoration. If that's you and you need some help, contact me. I'm Dr. Patrice Shavone. You can inbox me. You can visit me at www.restored.com or either Patrice Shavone. You can type it in. Also, I have books available on Amazon and Stan Store. If you're somebody that feels like there's been a spiritual disconnection, you feel like there's a demonic presence, or if you feel as though you can't move ahead, inbox me. It's time for to clean up all of that dirty clutter in your mind, in your life, and your finances. If it's something that's going on with your children, whatever it is, and you need some assistance or help, I'm here to help. I have 20 years of mental health expertise, experience. And this isn't just about a spiritual awakening. This is about a spiritual journey. It is a transformation. It's a therapeutic transformation for self. Remember that restoring bodies and mind starts with you. I can't do it for you. I don't want to do it for you. I have to do it for myself and my children, But I want you to gain clarity about who and what it is that you should be doing. I just went to Tina Newell's Legacy on Saturday, and it was a good time. The vibe was about matriarchs. Are you the matriarch in your family and don't know it? Who are you in your family? All right. You guys have a good day.